Welcome back to Risk to Reward, where we turn raw numbers into gold, sometimes literally. If you're hunting for high upside plays in the materials fueling AI, EVs, and chips, these five mining stocks under $10 might just be your next deep dive. Let's start with Lithium Americas LAC, trading at just $2.82. This isn't your average penny stock. LAC owns the largest lithium deposit in the US at Thacker Pass. Backed by a $625 million GM investment and a $2.3 billion loan from the DOE, they've got the firepower to dominate US lithium supply. When America talks lithium independence, this is the name on their list. Next up, Piedmont Lithium PLL at $6.56. This company is so plugged into the EV future, Tesla literally called them up for a lithium supply deal. With mining assets across the US, Canada, and Ghana, they're building a global lithium empire. And here's the kicker. They reported a $22.9 million profit from their Canadian ops. That's rare air in the lithium world. Now meet Sigma Lithium SGML, priced at $6.58 and already producing from their Grota do Cirilo site in Brazil. With battery-grade concentrate already shipping, Sigma is way ahead of the crowd. In a world racing to electrify, Sigma isn't planning, they're delivering. Switching gears to gold, Equinox Gold EQX at $5.97. This isn't a junior miner. They own 7 active mines and just took full control of Canada's Greenstone mine. Backed by a $500 million loan and growing production, they're building a serious gold pipeline. It's like watching a mid-cap get forged from a micro-cap shell. Finally, NovaGold NG at $3.60. They're not producing yet, but they hold the Donlin project, one of the largest undeveloped gold resources on Earth. And it's in Alaska, not some unstable jungle. Partnered 50/50ths with Barrick Gold, this is a slow burn that could explode if gold prices soar. Smash that like, drop a comment with your favorite pick, and hit subscribe to Risk to Reward.